up really good.
Fill it up.
Put the water and fill it up really
Fill
good.
it up.
Put it in the heater. Put it in there really good. Grab your troll dolls. Put them in there.
Put the troll dolls where you normally put the coffee.
Put it in real good. Turn it on. Whoa! Oh! Make sure none of them escape. Yeah, there. Yes, he's trying to make.
What is existence?
Yeah, turn back on. Now wait patiently for your coffee. Coffee's ready. Now it's time to enjoy. Grab your favorite coffee cup and let's get to business. Wait, what the? Will you get out of there, please? What the heck, dude? I'm trying to do this here. Alright, it's ready to go. Time to shout out. Oh, come on. Do you have to keep looking at me like that? I'm sorry, alright? Aww. I'm sorry. Okay? Refreshing. Oh yeah, make sure to clean out any debris here. Flavor won't be as good since and one of them escaped, but should still be okay.
Reusable!
You can reuse them up to 100 times. Thanks, buddy. That's all there is to
Fill it up.
What are you doing with my coffee? Oh, I don't like this at all. Oh gosh. Oh my god.
What is existence?